all. Today we're going to learn about a Japanese commercial vehicle and diesel engine manufacturing company, Isuzu Motors. Let us know this company in a much better way. Isuzu Motors Limited is a Japanese commercial vehicles and diesel engine manufacturing company headquartered in Tokyo. Its principal activity is the production, marketing and sale of Isuzu commercial vehicles and diesel engines. It also has a number of subsidiaries including Anadolu Isuzu, a Turkish joint venture with Anadolu Group, Solarz Isuzu, a Russian joint venture with Solarz JSC, SML Isuzu, formerly Swaraj Mazda, Isuzu Astra Motor Indonesia, Isuzu Malaysia, Isuzu Highcom, Isuzu UK, Isuzu South Africa, Isuzu Philippines, Taiwan Isuzu Motors, Isuzu Vietnam and Isuzu India. The company was founded in 1916 by the Japanese oil and gasoline manufacturer Tokyo Gas Company, which in 1934 fused with the car maker and was renamed Isuzu after the Isuzu River. By 2009, Isuzu had produced over 21 million diesel engines, which can be found in vehicles all over the world. Isuzu diesel engines are used by General Motors and Renault-Nissan Alliance. Isuzu's history begins in 1916 when Tokyo Ishikawa Wajima Shipbuilding and Engineering Corporate Limited planned cooperation with the Tokyo Gas and Electric Business Corporation to build automobiles. In 1933, Ishikawa Wajima Automotive Works merges with DAT Automobile Manufacturing Incorporation, a predecessor of Datsun, and changes its name to Automobile Industries Corporate Limited. The products of this company, marketed as Sumiya and Chiyoda, were renamed Isuzu after the Isuzu River in 1934 following a meeting with the Ministry of Trade and Industry (MITI). Beginning in 1953, the Hillman Minx passenger car is produced under license of Roots Group. The Minx remained in production until 1962 after the 1961 introduction of Isuzu's first owned car, the Bel-El. The first result of GM taking a 34% stake in Isuzu is seen in 1972, only months later when the Chevrolet LUV becomes the first Isuzu-built vehicle to be sold in the United States. To symbolize the new beginning, Isuzu also developed a new logo for 1974 with two vertical pillars. In 1981, Isuzu began selling consumer and commercial vehicles under their own brand in the United States. The Isuzu P-Up was the first model sold to consumers as an Isuzu rather than as a Chevrolet or a Buick. Isuzu's then president Toshio Okamoto then initiated collaboration with small car expert Suzuki to develop a global small car for GM, the S-Car. In 1992, Isuzu ended US sales of the Impulse Geo Storm. The following year, it stopped exporting the Stylus, the basis for the Geo Spectrum, the last Isuzu-built car sold in the US. In 1994, Isuzu began a new vehicle exchange program with Honda, whereby Honda sold the Isuzu Rodeo and Isuzu Trooper as the Honda Passport and Acura SLX respectively. In return, Isuzu began selling the Honda Odyssey as the Isuzu Oasis. On early 2002, Fuji Heavy Industries, Subaru parent company, buys Isuzu's share of Lafayette, Indiana plant. Subaru Isuzu Automotive SIA becomes Subaru of Indiana Automotive. In November 2006, Toyota purchases 5.9% of Isuzu and the two companies agree to study possible business collaboration focusing on the areas of R&D and production of diesel engines, related emissions control and other environmental technologies. On January 29, 2009, Isuzu and General Motors announced that they were in talks to transfer the operation of the medium-duty truck production line in Flint, Michigan to Isuzu for a 5-year period. In June, however, GM announced that these talks failed to reach an agreement and GM instead ceased production of the Chevrolet Kodiaq and GMC Top Kick vehicles on 31 July 2009. In most of Asia and Africa, Isuzu is mostly known for trucks of all sizes. After Isuzu, small automobile sales drastically plummeted and Isuzu had to drop all sales of sedans and compact cars in the late 1990s. In the days when Isuzu did sell passenger cars, they were known for focusing on the diesel-engined niche. In 2009, Isuzu abandoned the United States consumer market due to lack of sales. Isuzu as a corporation has always been primarily a manufacturer of small to medium compact automobiles and commercial trucks of sizes medium duty and larger, but markets around the world show different needs. Isuzu Motors America discontinued the sale of passenger vehicles in the United States effective January 31st, 2009. The company explained to its dealers that it had not been able to secure replacement for the Isuzu Ascender and Isuzu I-Series that would be commercially viable. D-Max of Moraine, Ohio is a manufacturer of diesel engines for trucks. D-Max, originally announced in December 1998, is a joint venture between and operated by General Motors and Isuzu. The company's Duramax V8 engine has been extremely successful for GM. Isuzu Astra Motor Indonesia. Isuzu Astra Motor Indonesia IAMI is a joint venture automobile and commercial vehicle manufacturer with headquarters in Jakarta, Indonesia. The company was founded in April 2008 and is the successor of the previous Isuzu manufacturer Pantja Engine, founded in May 1974. Isuzu Malaysia. Isuzu Malaysia IMSB was established on September 6, 2004 as a commercial vehicle manufacturer with headquarters in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. The plant is a joint venture between the company DRB Highcom BHD, Isuzu Operations Thailand Corporation Limited and Isuzu Motors Asia Limited. The management of the plant of about 700 workers is under the authority of the CEO Takashi Hata. Isuzu Truck UK Limited IT UK, with headquarters in Hatfield, Hertfordshire in the United Kingdom, is an official dealer of Isuzu and operates in Portuguese Vendas Novas, its own assembly plant for Thailand, delivered SKD kits for the UK market. The company was first founded in January 1996 and is 15% owned by the Japanese Isuzu Corporation. The establishment of the company was one investment of £300,000 sterling. Taiwan Isuzu Motors. Taiwan Isuzu Motors Corporation was founded December 1995 as a commercial vehicle manufacturer with headquarters in Taipei, Taiwan. The company is both the assembler and the distributor of vehicles. The company is a joint venture between Isuzu owning 69.5% and the Prince Motor Company with 20% and the Itochu Soji with 10.5%. The Hillman Minx is a series of middle-sized family cars produced under the Hillman mark by the Roots Group, 1932 to 1970. There have been many versions of the Minx over the years, as well as various badge-engineered versions sold under the Humber, Singer and Sunbeam marks. Isuzu Forward. The Isuzu Forward and Isuzu F-Series is a line of medium-duty commercial vehicles built by Isuzu. All F-Series trucks are cab-over designs and the cabin comes fully built from the factory. Most models come with a diesel engine, but some markets get CNG derivatives as well. The F-Series is available a variety of cab styles, engines, 4WD or 2WD, depending on the market it is sold. The Isuzu Vehicross is a compact SUV from Isuzu produced from 1997 Japanese market 1997 to 1999 through 2001, US market 1999 to 2001. It shares most of its components with the Trooper, including both its 3.2L and 3.5L V6 engine that produces 215 bhp, 160 kilowatts, 218 PS at 5,400 RPM and 230 lb-ft at 3,000 RPM of torque. The vehicle also features the Torque on Demand TOD four-wheel drive system produced by Borg Warner. Isuzu Axiom. The Isuzu Axiom is a mid-size SUV introduced by Isuzu in 2001 for the 2002 model year. The Axiom is derived from the Isuzu Rodeo and was intended to be Isuzu's response to the popularity of car-based SUVs such as the Toyota Highlander, replacing the Trooper as Isuzu's flagship vehicle in the United States. So we got to know about the various aspects of Isuzu Motors. We went to the company's history, to its joint ventures and its market share. Hope the information was useful and have a good day.